It's
Hi
somewhere.
sir,
Yeah.
on your left, Kangna.
On the left?
Imran.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. I have a few questions to ask. Firstly, to start is with Kangna. Kangna, हमने पढ़ा है कि आप जो मूवी के जो 7 मिनट है स्टार्टिंग के उसमें आप सिनेमाटोग्राफर बन गई थी, तो क्या ये सच है और क्यों?
जो आपने जैसे जिस सीक्वेंस से फिल्म अभी जो ट्रेलर ओपन होता है दैट इज द सेम सीन दैट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट एंड इट इज 7 मिनट अनकट सीक्वेंस जहाँ पे एक लड़की जो है एक लड़के को शूट कर रही होती है, उसका एमएमएस बना रही होती है तो that was the requirement of the script, and Nikhil sir was very thrilled because he loves giving me these challenges, and he was very happy कि आज कंगना को shoot करना है. So I was holding a very heavy camera in my hands, and Tushar sir, like I said, had lit the set beautifully. So that was the requirement of the scene, and I loved the experience. और मुझे उनको शगुन में वो क्या पता नहीं शगुन बोलते हैं कि क्या बोलते हैं, but I had to give him some money because he came to me, he's like, you can't take charge of the camera, so you have to give me the money. If you have to take my permission and you have to give me the money. So I said okay fine, so I gave him 1 rupee.
Okay. Imran, the
Hello.
question is to you. पिछले 2 साल में we have not seen you on big screen. So how much are you expecting from this movie, and are you regretting for the losses that has happened in the past from the time you've entered the industry?
नहीं, absolutely not. I'm very glad that I got this break here. सच कहूँ तो पिछले 1.5 साल से I needed time to spend with my family. My wife was pregnant, my daughter was born, and these are things that happen once or twice in your life if you're lucky. And there's nothing that would make me give that up. So at no cost. I'm happy that I was there. That being said, I'm also very happy to be back at work because I love to make movies. इस फिल्म पर काम करते मुझे बहुत मजा आया. निखिल, कंगना दोनों के साथ मेरी बहुत अच्छी वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप थी, and I've had such a positive time. It's really reminded me of the love that I have for movies. Katti Batti, more than most other films that I've done, it has made me feel very happy and fulfilled, made me feel very satisfied, and it reminds me every day. This is why we sleep for 3 hours and wake up and go to work. This is why we put ourselves out on the line. It's a film which is very, very close to my heart.
कंगना, आपसे एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. आपके हिसाब से who do you think is the real queen of Bollywood?
Is Bollywood a country? That's a very lame question.
In the B-town, but who do you think?
Sid, Kangna, Imran, Nikhil, here, on your right. Congratulations.
That's the left.
On your left. Congratulations for the brilliant trailer. I think it looks really refreshing. My question is to you, Nikhil. Earlier the film was titled Sali Kutia, but now you guys have moved on to a slightly non-controversial title. So can we assume that filmmakers are exercising self-censorship because of the volatile environment right now?
What volatile environment?
Why the change in the title?
Because we just felt that it was the title was when it came to me, I loved it, but we also felt it was way too gimmicky. It's not necessary at all. The film is about the ups and downs of a relationship, and what really transpires in their lives, and how it all gets resolved actually. So it was not necessary, and I mean just for the sake of creating some kind of buzz and some kind of conversation, there's no point in getting into those kind of things. So yeah, I loved it, but I also agreed why we should drop it.
Do you feel Katti Batti sums up the idea of the film in the same way?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, totally.
Better
Because I
than
mean,
that.
ever since we were kids, we used to Katti Batti. So yeah, it does. Because that's what life is, what love is, what their relationship is, which is up, down, sometimes, and then once it breaks, then it comes back together. That's what Katti Batti is all about.
Now, considering the nature of the film, is there anything that you yourself have learned about modern day romance? Because the film emphasizes on young love.
Yeah. It's very urban. It's very, it's not one of those regressive love stories where, you see those very cliche sort of scenarios and scenes and, storyline. So it's very urban, and we all can identify with it, the way the characters are. And yeah, I did identify with it.
Hi Kangna, this is Urvi here.
Just
right.
a second.
Kangna,
Okay, so we'll just take this here. Yeah.
hi. Sorry.
Do you believe in time pass love?
Well, the thing is that every time a relation doesn't start on this note that you have clarity about things. Maybe time passes for my age or stage is too a lighter word. But I would like to date, and when you get into dating, the first thing probably long-term relationship or marriage is definitely not in your mind, because you have to. You don't have that much understanding of the equation or the relationship. So, yeah, in some term, maybe it could be called time pass also. I'm very open to time pass romances.
Unless you're Maddie or you're me, because whenever I had a girlfriend, I wanted to get married to them immediately.
Hello.
So,
Hi, Kangna. This is Urvi to your right. Yeah.
Yeah, on this side.
Hi.
Since the film deals with a live-in relationship, how much do you believe in the concept of live-in relationship?
Well, to each his own. I think it's just about the person, how the other person makes you feel. There's no compulsion. If you're in a relationship, not necessarily you have that much trust or faith or that kind of future planning with each other. At the same time, if you do, then you should go ahead with it and just see how things work and take it to next level.
Hello, Kangna ji and Imran.
Hi.
Hi.
कहाँ पे? हाँ ये.
इमरान जी से मेरा सवाल है कि जहाँ पे कंगना होती है वहाँ हीरो की जरूरत नहीं होती, और नेशनल अवार्ड विनर क्वीन और तनु वेट्स मनु, तो आपको अपने लिए फिल्म में मतलब कहाँ तक सेफ लगता है एज ए हीरो?
हमारी लड़ाई करवा दीजिए आप आज ही.
कहाँ तक सेफ लगता है?
मतलब आपके लिए कितना स्कोप है?
स्कोप है?
कितना है? हाँ,
जितना स्क्रिप्ट में है उतना ही स्कोप है जी.
तो 2 साल के बाद आपने शुरुआत कंगना से की, कंगना के साथ, तो ये कहाँ
मैंने
तक
कट्टी बट्टी से की.
अच्छा.
Well, the thing is that it is a love story, and I think both of us have equally important part. Maybe Imran has a lot more screen space than me, but that doesn't mean किसी का character weak है, तो I think वही एक जो इस तरह की जो कहानी होती है उसकी यही एक खासियत होती है.
Kangna, sorry for the delay. I mean to say late compliment. You look like a Barbie doll, in fact.
Thank you.
What was the particular reason to wear this dress, particularly this moment, actually?
Because it's a Sunday, you all coming, and I wanted to make it worth it for you all. I mean, I could have chosen to wear jeans and T-shirt, and it had to be transported in a different car. Then there was a vanity van outside. Then I wore that. My stylist is on, she's at the job right now and fixing just for you all, just so that you get good pictures.
Thank you very much.
There's a reason she's the queen of the box office and of these answers as well. Brilliant once again. Yes,
Okay,
back there.
Hello. Yeah.
There,
Hi, Kangna and Imran. Amazing trailer. I'm very curious to watch movie. So, Kangna, मेरा सवाल आपके लिए ये है. First of all, rumors थे कि आपको YRF और सलमान के साथ सुल्तान मूवी के लिए अप्रोच किया गया था, लेकिन आपने रंगून चुनी भंसाली जी की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है? और भारद्वाज जी की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है?
Well, the thing is that I've already given my dates to Rangoon, and that's why I couldn't do that film.
एंड इमरान, ये फिल्म आपके लिए कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपकी फिल्में जो है बॉक्स ऑफिस पर इतना कमाल नहीं कर चुकी हैं, तो कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इस फिल्म से?
मैं अपनी फिल्म से कभी एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता ही नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज देयर इज नो वे टू नो व्हाट विल हैपन. उम्मीदें बहुत है क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत खास है. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आई हैव हैड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय एंटायर करियर व्हाइल वर्किंग ऑन दिस फिल्म. सो द फिल्म मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी इमोशनली. अब आप लोगों को पसंद आए ना आए ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन. But whatever happens, I can say that this is a film which means a lot to me, and I'll always hold my head up very, very high and say with great pride that this is my film.
क्योंकि कंगना, ट्रेलर के एक सीन में आप कहीं ना कहीं ऐश्वर्या की तरह लग रही थी. वो देवदास वाला लुक है जो आपने, वो अटायर, वो साड़ी और वो सब जो मेकअप किया है, तो वो आपका खुद का आइडिया था या निखिल का था?
नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक्टर्स जाएं सेट पर और बोलें अच्छा आज मुझे देवदास के कपड़े पहनने हैं. फिल्में थोड़े डिफरेंट तरीके से बनती हैं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है.
कुछ एक्टर्स ऐसे करते हैं, लेकिन
निखिल सर, तो मुझे आपने वो तमा वाला कॉस्ट्यूम क्यों नहीं दिया फिर?
I tried.
नहीं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है. ये राइटर्स पहले ही जब स्क्रिप्ट होती है, जब हम लोग भी नहीं ऑन बोर्ड होते, उस वक्त ये सारे जो हैं सीन्स जो हैं डिसाइड हो जाते हैं.
Imran, Kangna, over here, towards the left,
Hi.
center. Very simple question. There's a lot of chemistry that's translating on screen. How comfortable, how easy, or how difficult was it to work with each other? This is your first film that you guys are doing together. So how was the experience of coming on board the first day, when you guys found out that you are going to be working with each other?
It is the first time, but we have had missed connections many times in the past 4 or 5 years. Well, you remember that photo shoot we had done? How many years ago was that?
People magazine.
People magazine का photo कुछ 6-7 साल हो गए. We had done a photo shoot together and we had hit it off very well. We said, yeah, we should do some work together, and it either worked out that I was doing the film and she was not doing the film, or she would do the film, I would not do the film. So this missed connection kept going for many years. And there's always this thing, at some point we have to do something together. And ultimately I'm glad that it ended up being this film, because what Kangana has brought to her role, brought to the film, I feel that no other actress could have done justice to that. It is a very demanding role. It's a very tricky role. When you see the film, आप सब समझ जाएंगे. And it requires a certain finesse and a certain craft which very few actors possess.
Kangna,